A quick demo on our Explore and Collections features. So here I am within the Explore section of the tool. This is the area of the tool where you can search through and explore the thousands of images that we have trawled the internet for of beautiful packaging types, and you can save those and add them to collections, which are structured forms of essentially mood boards or filing structures where you can save down images. So there are two different ways in which you can search for inspiration images in the Explore area. And there is also some educational content that you'll find around printing and finishing techniques and also around innovative materials. I'm not going to spend time going into those now, but do check them out. Instead, I'm going to start off by going into the industry section and specifically looking for jewelry. Because what I'm looking for is some inspiration for Regalia, our unique gemstones test brand. And specifically what I'm looking for is a box, actually similar to these two here, that could be used as the gifting box for the jewelry. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to add it to a collection because I've identified that I like it. So I'm firstly going to start a new collection and I'm going to call this Regalia Inspo. I'm going to create and save it. Great. And you'll see that there is a link to that collection that pops up in the corner there. I also liked this one. And so I'm also going to click on this and add it to that same collection. Great. As I mentioned, there's another way in which to explore, which is to search. Now, searching allows you to type in a more specific search term, and it will give you a more curated set of results that aren't just linked to an industry or a packaging type. So in this case, I'm going to write gift box for luxury jewelry brand. And let's see what comes up. Great. Once I've got that selection, there are a number of filters that I can also apply. So I can now decide that I want to add certain colors. So in this case, I want it to be pink. And I can filter the packaging types a little bit more if I want to. Actually, I think I'm fine for this moment in time. And I'm also able to then pick styles. I think what I'm going for is a luxury style as I put in my prompt. So let's see what that's done. So that's then filtered down the research results, and I can see my original image again, which is good and promising. And I'm now looking at a number of others. I really like this one for the ribbon, so I'm going to add that to the collection as well. Regalia Inspo. Save. So what I am then able to do is navigate to the collection. And as you see, here are the three images that we've saved. From here, I can do a number of things. So the first is I'm able to click on this button, see more like this. And that enables me to, again, kind of dive deeper into a specific packaging format that I like. And now see example images that look extremely similar to it. So that's worked really well, and it's uncovered this image that I really like, so I'm going to add that also to the collection. If I just navigate back, you not only can do that from images that are in our library, but you can also upload your own images to the collection as well. So here I'm going to upload an image from a lovely jewelry brand called that I really like. And there we go. You've seen that's popped into the collection. And again, I can take the same actions here. I can click see more like this. And I should be now presented with a bunch of images that look really similar to this inspo image. It's even picked up, I think, that there's some form of debossing on this image, and therefore it's given me this slightly raised, really, really beautiful image here. And so, yeah, I'm definitely going to save that. Final thing to quickly show you is that once you're in a collection, you can also navigate to some of our other tools like Editor and Extractor simply by clicking Preview. And this is then going to give you the ability to extract the artwork, obviously to download the image, but then also to start making edit actions on that image. Not going to do that now. That will be part of the edit demo, so do check that out. So that's it. Yeah, enjoy creating collections and searching through our library of content. Thanks.